Prevent's step 1 in the idiot-proof program. We want to put the Prevent down the middle of March to the middle of April, and we need to make sure that we water it in with ½ inch of water. The Prevent contains both professional slow-release turf food and crabgrass preventer. The professional slow-release turf food is going to allow your lawn to break out of winter dormancy and give you a nice spring green up. The crabgrass preventer actually creates a vapor barrier on top of the soil that prevents grassy weeds from ever becoming a problem. However, if you're spring seeding or dormant seeding, consider using our seed-safe options. Step 3 is our booster shot of Prevent. This is going to extend our control of crabgrass protection through the summer. It's important for this application to go down between the middle of May or early June, or about 8 to 10 weeks from the first application.
For you, the kids and the dogs in your own backyard, the Grass Pad Idiot Proof program starts today with the big yellow bag of Prevent. Spread it and forget it.
The Grass Pad's high on grass.